Hello, I'm Ronnie. Has your vocational rehabilitation VR counselor agreed to help pay for the cost of your textbooks? If you're not sure, you will need to check with your VR counselor. If VR is helping pay for your textbooks, send them a book list that shows what books you need and how much they will cost. How do you get a book list? Go to SAS here. Click on Enroll and Search. Then click on View Textbooks on the top right. This will take you to RIT Barnes & Noble Bookstore. Add the books you need to your shopping cart. You may see more than one option for the same item. For example, if you need to purchase My Math Lab, you may see two options. One for only purchasing the access code, and the second option of purchasing the access code with the textbook. You only need to choose one. Okay, now you've finished adding all of your books to your cart. Next, click on View Your Shopping Cart. You will see your list of books and the total cost. Take a screenshot and send this to your VR counselor. You may have items you need that are not included in that book list. Send your VR counselor a list of those extra items along with the cost. For example, if you are an art student, your syllabus may have a list of art supplies you need for the class. Find the price for each item, write down the cost next to the item, calculate the total cost, and send both this list and your book list to your VR counselor. What happens next? Your VR counselor will need to send an authorization directly to RIT's Barnes & Noble bookstore. This authorization will let Barnes & Noble know how much money VR will spend on your books. RIT Barnes & Noble bookstore will add the VR money to your Barnes & Noble account. How do you know when your VR authorization has arrived and the money is in your VR account? You can call RIT's Barnes & Noble and ask if your VR funds have arrived. Or you can go to the bookstore and ask a cashier. They will swipe your RIT ID to check your VR account balance. A few VR offices do not send the authorization to RIT Barnes & Noble and may have a different way of paying for books. If you do not know how VR is paying for your books, ask your VR counselor. Now it's time to buy your books. Grab your schedule and a book list, and let's go to Barnes & Noble.
Excuse me, can you tell me where this book is?
Sure. It's right over here.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Hi. I would like to purchase these books using VR funds.
Okay, I'll need to see your student ID, please.
Sure, of course.
Thank you. You have $335 in your account.
Sure, okay.
Your total is $737.55.
Okay, sure.
Please swipe your credit card now. Perfect. Please remember to keep this receipt. You'll need it to return any books. Also, please be aware of the return deadline date here.
Sure, okay. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Have a great day. Bye. I'm going to save this receipt somewhere safe in case I need to return anything. Hey, it's Jeanette.
Now you've seen how to purchase your books at RIT's Barnes & Noble store. Thanks, Makoya. You also have the option of ordering your books online here. When you've added your books to your cart and are ready to check out, under the payment option, choose Tiger Bucks. Enter in your 9-digit University ID UID number plus 44 at the end of the number, where it asks for your credit card number. Submit your order. Soon, you'll receive a confirmation email. Next, email the Barnes & Noble supervisor at let them know you placed an online order and that you need to pay for the books using your VR account. Include your UID number, order number, and your name in the email. They will make sure that your web order will be processed correctly. What if your VR authorization has not arrived at Barnes & Noble yet, and you really need your books now? If you have enough of your own money to pay, go ahead and buy your items at RIT's Barnes & Noble bookstore and keep the receipt. Keeping this receipt is very important. Then, when your VR authorization finally arrives at RIT's Barnes & Noble, take your receipt to the bookstore and let a cashier know you want to use the VR funds, and they will give you a refund of your money. What if your VR authorization has not arrived yet? Contact your VR counselor and ask them when it will arrive. You can also contact the NTID Student and Academic Services Department, SAS, here. Here are 4 key points. If your vocational rehabilitation counselor has agreed to help pay for the cost of your books, they will send an authorization to RIT's Barnes & Noble bookstore. When the authorization arrives there and the money is in your account, you can go pick out the books you need at RIT's Barnes & Noble bookstore. Be sure to tell the cashier to use your VR funds. You can also order your books online at RIT's Barnes & Noble. Use the process I described earlier in the video. If your books cost more money than VR has given you, you will need to pay with your own money. Remember, every state vocational rehabilitation office manages things a little different. Make sure you contact your VR with any questions about their process. You can also contact the NTID SAS department with any questions you may have. Whew, that was a lot of information. Hopefully this video has helped you understand the process of buying books with VR funds. Thanks for watching.